Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl, Scrub the Ground. Man, I'm tired. I'm extremely tired. Just got off of work. So today I pulled a day shift. So I got off around like 5, but I'm tired. However, I'm here. And I'm kind of sad right now. Anyway, today I just grabbed me some stuff from work. I grabbed me a 5-piece lemon hot wings before I walked out the door. I had some lemon pepper. I don't eat lemon pepper. So, and then I want to try something because I picked this up at the store. Look like somebody tried to open it. But don't open what's not yours. I want to try this sauce. I just want to taste it. It's garlic parmesan sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. You know how they sell their own sauce? I just want to taste it. Then also I got me some water to drink. And then I got my Mind Your Business cup. Because today, after the day I had, I needed it. It wasn't a stressful day at work, but I'm tired. Right now, I would actually just be going to work. But today, I made up a day or a day I missed. But I got me some garlic hot wings. They smell delicious. And the reason why I said I'm sad, two of our baby kittens got stuck under the hood. Why are you under the hood? What are you doing under there? Why? Me and my brother yesterday were on our way. He was dropping me off at work. And when we pulled up to the store, all I hear is, I'm like, and he looking at me like, he was like, did you put one of the cats in your bag? I said, why would I put a cat in my bag? It's been going on since yesterday. And then he come and pick me up today, and we hear it again when we pull up to the house. They just meowing on the passenger side, but they're under the hood, all the way at the bottom. We can't see them, can't find them. Now they not making no noise, bruh, and I don't know what to do. Me, Savion, my son Jaquel, we all out there just under the car, trying to see if we can see something. We meowing, trying to get them to respond. They not making no more noise no more, and I'm kind of sad because I'm like, I hope they're not dead. Please bring y'all dumb selves from up under there. Why would you go up under the hood? I'm gonna eat. Mm. And if you know me, you know, like, I'm a sucker for cats. I love cats. I'm probably gonna be that old lady with like a million cats, single, not ready to mingle, just don't care. Dating is just too much these days. And then I swear, I don't like my generation. My generation sucks. It does. So I don't even like to waste my time, even even thinking about it. You know how you be like, oh, I think I'm ready to date. I think I'm ready to start dating or seeing somebody. That ain't me. I done gave up. My patience is too short with this generation. Like, this generation sucks. And if you're from this generation, you suck. I don't like it. Nobody is consistent anymore. Nobody even likes to try anymore. It's more so like, hey, let me take you to my crib and let's get it. Like, what the hell? No. So yes, let me try this sauce. But yes, I've given up. Everybody by now think I'd be married, but nah, I don't see it. I don't see it in my future. I ain't interested. I'm not even interested in getting a boyfriend. So, with that being said, I probably might be that old lady with like 13 cats. Oh no, I ain't gonna put that on these. Wait, I just want to taste it. Just a little dab. Because I can make some wings myself with this. I put it in the refrigerator, so because I thought somebody opened it. Just look. Ooh. But how y'all day going? How is y'all day going? Okay, I just want a little taste test. I'm glad I just did a taste test. God, ooh. That made my eyes water because it was just that weird. We're gonna leave that with her. Anyway. Whew. Today was such a better day. I was supposed to be off today. But like I said, I went and made up one of my days that I called out on Monday, and decided to do a day shift so I can come home. I'm gonna cook some wings. I mean, not wings, but see, some ribs. I'm cook some ribs in a little bit. Yesterday, a customer had me effed up. So, I guess you can call this story time. Yesterday, I was being cashier. If you didn't notice by now, I work at Wingstop. I was cashier yesterday. And this lady come in. Now, mind you, I'm cashier, so I am not cooking none of the food. I ain't touching the food. I'm just passing the bag to you. Have a nice day. This lady comes in the store And I was like, you know, welcome Wingstop. How you doing? She came back in with a bag. Okay, is something wrong? Do you need something else? My fries are cold, and I don't have enough sauce on my chicken. It's been absorbed. Okay, so this lady comes in. She placed her order, and then she says, "I don't know how long I'm gonna be before I come back. So can you just uh drop my fries um a little later?" I said, "You know what? We could drop your fries when you get here. How about that? So they fresh." She said, "All right, that's fine." Anyway, she done came back like a good 30 minutes later. I'm telling you, her meal been done except for her fries. So her fries get dropped. The phone come ringing. She come talking about some, "Hi, I just left from up there, and my wings are absorbed in the sauce. They not even saucy no more." Well, ma'am, you placed the order. We cooked it. You said just drop the fries when you get here. And that's what we did. You left your chicken here for like 30 minutes. Why didn't you just set a time for your pickup? You know what I'm saying? So we could just schedule a time. You the one said you didn't know what time you were coming to get it. You know what I'm saying? This lady opens the bag and throws her fries on the table. It says, "My fries are cold now." I said, "Well, that's because you went all the way home and you came back because we dropped fresh fries for you." So then she proceeds to grab her cup and she threw her drink at me. When I tell you the Aries in me kicked in and I was about to knock all that shit over, I grabbed the french fries and I threw them like, because she was literally this far away from me, the counter. I grabbed the fries and I said, right in her face, "Don't you ever throw a drink at me again. Don't ever. Don't you ever throw a drink at me again. Who do you think you are? Nobody told you." Ooh, this chicken good. God ain't done with me yet, y'all. That's all I can say. Long story short, they said they sent little old me, little sweet me home. I ain't get in trouble or nothing. They just sent me home so I can calm down. I still got my hours and everything. They did a report and kicked baby girl out. She better not hope I'm in the back cooking her chicken next time. Anyway, but today was a better day. I had a good day today. I'm just tired. Like, I'm really exhausted. I need another vacation. I don't know where I'm gonna go. What I'm gonna do? Hell, I'll go down the street and call that a vacation. I don't care. I'm just sleepy. But I know I gotta go in here and cook these ribs. I'm about tired of eating chicken. But hey, here I am. If y'all watch that video that that is on Debo Vibes page, you saw we ate sharks. I won't eat no chicken. I was like, nope, we eat fish. And he understood. He understood. Very understanding guy. Go check that video. Go check that video out if you have not checked it out. It's a great video. Very great content. Very funny. I feel like I'm about to pass out. I ain't gonna lie. I won't even. This was my first time not even being on time for work today. I was late. I overslept because I work night shifts. I'm not used to working day shift. So I had to get up early this morning, and I'm like, I ain't even call them and tell them I was gonna be late. Cause first of all, I ain't supposed to be here in the first place. It's my day off. I'm just coming in to make up for some hours. But I'm so sleepy. Like I feel like if I lay down, I'm gonna pass out. So what I'm probably gonna do is upload this video and then just lay across my bed and then wake up and probably be thinking it's the next day. Do you ever do that? I hate when I do that. Like I fall asleep in the middle of the day, and then when I wake up, it look like it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, a.m. Like, and then you be like, dang, it's the next day already. And they be like, no, it's nighttime. I do that all the time. There's been times like when the kids was in school, I wake up and I be like, hey, what y'all still doing here? Get ready for school. They be like, Ma, it's only like 8 o'clock in the 8 o'clock at night. I be like, oh, my bed, lay down. Yeah, I be tripping. I be tripping. Your girl be tripping. But yeah, that was my day today. I don't know how I'm even making this video. Like everything blurry. I'm not tired. I'm not a morning person. I'm really not. I'm not a morning person at all. I live for the nightlife. I be ready for the streets at night, not during the daytime. I'm so tired. I feel like I want to call out tomorrow, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope everybody is staying safe in these streets, staying safe at home. Um, Shoot, keep it cool because it's hot today. Hey, if you live in the A, you know, man, it's hot. Shoot, that's another thing. The heat be about to take me out. One thing that will put me to sleep is some heat. I don't think it be meaning to put me to sleep. I think be trying to kill me. But yeah, I'm about to head on out of here. Yeah, I'm about to head out. Go ahead and post this video, lay my butt across my bed, and just do what it do, baby. Do what it do. It was nice speaking to you guys. I'll be back. I will be back. Trust me, I am still here. I just been busy, but you know what? Today's timing was perfect. So I was able to still bring my little black self up here. This right here, no. But y'all have a good day. Love you guys. Take one more out of my mind your business cup. Peace. Love you guys.